Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to you this morning with a message, and I want all the people of the world, all the indigenous people of Jamaica, just to hold strong and just let you know that the Almighty God, the ruler of all creation, knows all things, and that land that was left to you as the rightful heir or heiress, let you know that no powers can stop you. No powers can take what is rightfully yours. Just pray to the Almighty God, the God of Ethiopia, the God of Africa, the God of the black man. I took time out and I wrote a song, and I just want the indigenous people to let this be your anthem, okay? It goes a little something like this. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our Pinnacle land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL, and so we know only time will tell. Oh, powerful God, disrupt their plan, so they know they can take the indigenous people's land. Give them the strength to fight and win. Send them the power of Marcus Garvey's wind. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our Pinnacle land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL, and so we know only time will tell. Through and through these wicked times, oh my people, just toe the line. Come Almighty God with your spirit divine. Let the enemies know that the land is thine. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our Pinnacle land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL, and so we know only time will tell. And in the end, when the facts hold through and they see your power, they must come true. God a God and man a man, they cannot touch LEONARD HOWELL's land. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our Pinnacle land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL, and so we know only time will tell. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our Pinnacle land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL, and so we know only time will tell. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our people's land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL. Oh my God, only time will tell. Almighty God, stretch forth your hands. Don't let them take our people's land. It was given by LEONARD HOWELL. Oh yes we know, yes we know, all the time will tell.